Hi friends, hi family. So today we're going to be making our do-it-yourself sensory bags. You're going to need some Ziploc bags, some fillers such as gel or shaving cream. If you want, you can also use some kind of paint or coloring, such as food coloring, a dropper for the food coloring. You're also going to want to use some kind of manipulatives to put inside the bag. Here I have some beads that I had around the house. You can also use things like rice or little small toys. And you're also going to want some tape as well as a pair of scissors. Start with one of your Ziploc bags, carefully open it, and you can fill it with one of your fillers. I'm going to be using hair gel. I actually got this container for a $1 at the dollar store. Fill it up, I would say just about a quarter of the way. You don't have to fill it all the way to the top. If you want, you can also have your child help with this. You can have them squeeze with both hands the gel inside of the bag. Next, you're going to use any color of your choice. I'm using the color blue along with my dropper, and then I'm just going to drop the color inside the Ziploc bag into the hair gel. Now I'm going to add my manipulatives. You can also have your child help with this part, have them pick up the small beads using their pincer grasp, which is their thumb and their pointer. Here I'm just using some random beads again that I found at home. You can use rice, you can use macaroni, you could use little small toys. I chose this one because they were little water animals like dolphins and whales, and I wanted it to just kind of look like the ocean. After I do that, I'm going to lay my bag flat and I'm going to push out all the extra air out of the bag without having any of the gel spill out of the bag. As you can see, I'm doing here. I just gently push it and then I seal the Ziploc bag completely. Now I'm going to get my tape and then I'm going to cut it to the size of the Ziploc bag, and then I take it and I just seal one side of the Ziploc bag opening. Then I will turn my Ziploc bag over on the other side. I take my tape and I seal the other side of the bag, the opening on the other side of the bag. That way, when your child is playing with it, the contents inside of the bag won't spill out. Now we're going to make another sensory bag. This one will be using shaving foam. This will give your sensory bag a different texture. This one will be lighter and fluffier compared to the hair gel. You're going to do the same process. You're going to open the bag, pour the shaving foam about a quarter of the way. Again, just make sure you get all the extra air out of the bag before you seal it. Here again, you add the color of your choice. This time I went with yellow. Mix the food coloring in with the shaving foam, and then you're going to seal the Ziploc bag, and then again grab your tape and tape the opening of the Ziploc bag so that way nothing spills out, and then you're finished. And now you have two sensory bags for your child to play with two different textures, one with a thicker consistency, one with a fluffier, lighter consistency, different colors for them to work on color recognition. You can even put it inside the fridge so that they could feel the difference between room temperature and cold, have them use their pointer finger to trace letters or shapes, etc. It's a really fun learning activity for them. Enjoy!